Have you ever seen a rainbow so black and white? It's not what it seems when they say everything's alright. Just sign all the papers, you'll have your career. Debut, it's your time to shine, now watch me disappear. May I do the streets, wait a month and ask the higher ups. Meanwhile here's a leash, put it on and let me take you up the stairs of the ship, where I put on the big buttons while we drink champagne. We were like there's no other, while you get the 2% of what I have to follow, go back the street. While all the super just divide the breed, it's all for you, it's especially for me. It feels like a lot war right now. Sadly we're not surprised, the year just started yet somehow. Expectations were some, has never seen a rainbow so black and white. In the text about this sinking yacht, papers shown in timelines every other week. Some may pick up their diploma, so to speak. Cause if you're not by the burners of the month, I'm sorry, it'll take time to give you barrels of the minimum. Yes, there's a problem, it's not our fault, it's theirs. It's not suspension, it's a break from your offense. So let's make a mental in the document of what your pain is only justified. And may you refund out the money you've spent, I won't let you see the vibe. Cause it feels like an outlier. Sadly we're not surprised, you just started yet somehow. Expectations were some, I've never seen a rainbow so black and white. In the text above the sinking yacht, in the text above the sinking yacht, in the text above the sinking yacht.